Welcome to a world of miniatures, where every tiny detail is crafted with love. Today, we are building a luxurious, multi-story dream house for our little furry friends. From a cozy bedroom to a refreshing rainbow pool, this house has it all. We begin by assembling the foundation and the sturdy cardboard walls. Each room is carefully papered with vibrant colors and charming patterns. Every princess needs a wardrobe. Let's craft one using pink cardboard and elegant pearls. It's the perfect place to store the most fashionable miniature outfits. Using simple ribbons and paper clips, we can create the cutest little dresses. No look is complete without a stylish accessory. How about a glittery blue handbag? Now for the centerpiece of the bedroom, a royal, flesh pink bed. Decorated with delicate lace and sparkling jewels, it's fit for hamster royalty. Moving to the kitchen, we're building a modern counter with a built-in oven. Look at those tiny colorful buttons and the shimmering silver stovetop. In the pantry, we have jars filled with magical sprinkles and glittery treats. The refrigerator is painted in a matching pink and even features its own little stickers. Let's stock it up with some fresh, healthy snacks for our residents. Time for a tea party. We'll set up a round table with plush, purple velvet chairs. The upper deck is home to a magnificent pool surrounded by a rainbow wall. Just look at that clear blue water. It's so inviting. And finally, the house is ready. The owners have arrived to explore their new home. From the kitchen to the pool, every corner is a new adventure for these curious hamsters. Wow! They seem to love the view from the top floor. A perfect day in the perfect house. Sweet dreams, little ones.